Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up your team, like who's your captain, who's your set piece taker, or who's your first team and substitute player. So what you need to do first is tap on your my team page. So this is my team page as well as yours. As you can see, I'm using flat 442 flat. This is the classic one, based on my overall player ability and their position. So this is one for your information. This is my day one playing FIFA Mobile. So we learn each other in the comment. Don't forget. So let's get to the point. How to choose who's the captain and who's the set piece taker. What you need to do is pay attention to this button under your formation. This blue option is here. Tap this one, the second. As you can see, I am choosing this Joshua Kimmich as a captain. So why? Because he's have a leadership trait. So choose your player, you choose your captain based on their traits. A leadership trait, I mean, is very suitable as your captain. Tap confirm, and also short free kick. Tap this free kick filter, like this short free kick. Who's the highest rating here? I choose this close, and the others. For example, penalties, I'm choosing Eder Militao because his penalty rating is highest. This is Iron Rush. I forgot. I'm newly got him, so I'm change Iron Rush as my regular penalty kick player. Confirm and back. So this is your captain and set piece taker player. So please try in your team. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.